Welcome to StudioPros. Finding the right vocalist for your song is the most important step to bringing it to life. To use our vocal services, you'll need to send us your song without vocals, a version with rough guide vocals, and your lyrics. If you don't have lyrics or a melody written for your song, we can help you with that too. The process is easy. Choose the perfect voice for your song and upload your files to our website. Within 48 hours, we'll send you an MP3 preview for your approval. Once approved, the tracks will be available for instant download from your account. Try us out risk-free on your first song with our money-back guarantee. It's that easy.